Hi guys, in today's video I wanted to show you how you can integrate your Instagram account and your feed to your Shopify website. There's many providers out there that actually provide the service for you. There's very few that I know of that are actually free. So I do use a paid version. I use SnapWidget and they charge about $5 a month. And they allow me to choose different type of boards, different types of feeds, and I can show that on my website. And then obviously if somebody clicks on it, it redirects them to your Instagram feed so that they can follow your your social media account as well from any free traffic that you are pushing to your website. So let's get into it. So to start off, you're going to need to open an account with SnapWidget or any other provider. It doesn't really matter. They all connect kind of the same to your Shopify account. They'll just generate you a snippet of code that you actually need to embed on your website. So you go into SnapWidget, you create your account. Let's just skip this. So, and then it gives you a variety of options that you can actually show. So this is just different display settings depending on what you want it to look like. So for mine, I'm gonna go with Instagram board because I kind of want my customers to see, oh, okay, this is a Instagram uh, a photo, just so that they can click on that if they do want to, in order to take them to that social media account. So if you go to Instagram board, when you come in here, you're going to need to connect your account to this app. So you'll come into username and then it'll ask you to link your account. So if we come in here, it'll show us our accounts that we have with Instagram, and we can continue and we can link that account to to your Instagram. So if you do have two-factor authentication on, it's going to ask you for a code just to verify that it's you. So we put that code in 23070 and confirm. This will then ask you to allow or don't allow. Click on allow, and then this will link your Instagram account. So from here, it's going to give you a few settings that you just need to set up. Let's just go through it. You can have a filter on there. You can choose only hashtags or mentions or so on. You can have a description, your thumbnail size, the layout you want. Do you want it 2 rows or do you want 1 row? How many pictures do you want to display? Your padding, the space in between each photo, and then you can have a hover effect. I like the zoom effect. Let's do the zoom in effect because that just gives a nice, yeah, something like that. That looks nice. And then you can add sharing buttons on there if you want, and you can make it responsive or not. So responsive or not just means that you're going to be able to have different settings for different types of devices and different types of screens. So I'm going to click on yes because most of our customers are on a mobile device, and we wanted to show to have a different setting for a mobile device. So we'll click on yes. I'll go to advanced. So here you can choose, do you want it to auto refresh, how often you want it to auto refresh, if you want to randomize it, and if you want to add any other code in there. I think we can add a Google Analytics code in there just for tracking, just to see where our customers are clicking on our website. So if you go over here, go to your Google Analytics, come in here, I can click on here, place it over there. And then we can click on admin. Let's go to property settings and we can copy our property ID. Can post that ID in over here. And we can go to responsive, and this is where you're going to configure the amount of pictures you want to display on different display types. So let's just go through it. For smartphones, I want there to be 2 images by 1 row. For small iPads, the same. For medium, I think we can take it up to 4 by 1. And for desktops, I'd like it to be about 6 by 1. Just click plus there as well. So that would be saved. So now we can update our preview, see what that's going to look like. So on the desktop, that's what it's going to look like. I can click on get widget now, and then it's going to generate us some code, and then we're going to copy that to the clipboard, and we're going to head over to our Shopify store. We're going to click on customize, and then to add the code we need to add a section called custom liquid. You can click in custom liquid over there, and all we need to do with custom liquid is we just need to copy and paste that code over there into it and hit save. We can also play around with this custom liquid to move it to wherever we want it to be displayed. I want it to be displayed right at the bottom over here, and that should be saved over there. Let's check what that looks like on the website. Let's go all the way down over here, and that's it displaying over here on our web page. 6 by 1, and you can see if you click on something it will redirect you to the actual post on Instagram. So yeah, quite a cool feature to have on your website if you're also trying to grow a social media following. If you guys found that helpful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day further. Bye.